I turn this one around to the back? No, keep her right at the front. See me, see her, see us together. You hear me? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WOWAFRICAN. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also sipping and slaying. Your girl got her Wawa today, but I'm about to get my drink. Where my drink at? I actually drank my drink already. It's been a day, okay? Anyway, do y'all see this healthy looking wig on me? Even with my glasses off, I can see that it looks good. The density looks right. The luster looks right. I look right. So if you want to look right together, make sure you keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from WOWAFRICAN. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. We have not tried a kinky straight in a while, and WOWAFRICAN is going to do it for me every single time when it comes to the kinky straight. Do y'all see these bundles? Do you see the thickness? Now with that, I'm not washing this one, okay? Because if you don't know, kinky straight swells up pretty big when you wash her and then when you go in and blow dry her. I ain't trying to be sitting here pressing all day, okay? But I will tell you out the pack, for you, wash your wig. What I'm gonna do though, is I'm gonna take a little dry shampoo, do a little spraying like that. Ooh, it's not that much in there. Come on, give me a little bit. Give me, there we go, there we go. Ooh, she cold, she cold. Take my spray bottle of water. Get up under there, press that all in. And then I'm just gonna use my blow dryer brush to blow dry this a little bit sleeker. I really want a full bodied flip over type of look. I feel like that's gonna look real cute. They did send me the 14 inch, but it also comes in a 12 inch. So if this is too long for you, you can definitely get a shorter option with the 12 inch, or you can just cut it, you know, whatever floats your boat. Let me go ahead and tint my lace per usual. I'm using the Black Radiance Contour Palette in the shade medium to dark. And I'm gonna use a mixture, as always, of my contour and sculpt shades. Some of y'all be asking me where I get a lace brush from. It's a makeup brush. This is the 𝐿F brush. It's the ultimate blending brush. I'm gonna take it right around that hairline. I need a little bit more because that parting space is big in there. I need a little bit more powder. It's definitely given 13 by 6, so you get 13 inches of lace from ear to ear and then 6 inches of lace to the back. Okay, it does have some security in here. You got 2 combs on the side, 1 comb on the back with the adjustable straps and the attached elastic band. Now they did send me the large cap, so I'm gonna go ahead and hook my adjustable straps on the last hook in hopes that I still get some good security around here. I don't know if I'm gonna spray it down yet. We'll see once I get it on. Ooh, that is a perfect fit. Perfect. No glue, just edges. Woo! Y'all see this? This is why it's important to get your correct size cap. This right here. WOWAFRICAN does come in 3 different cap sizes, okay? Small, medium, and huge. AKA large, okay, which is what I got. Thank you. Do you see this? I just know this is about to eat down. This is the layered bob, so you see some layers right in here. I can probably cut that a little bit shorter if I wanted to. I don't even know where my lace is. I mean, it's on my face, but y'all see that blend though? All right, let me just brush this so I can make sure my layers are good before I blow dry anything. I don't think I gotta cut it. The layers are right there. I could not see without my glasses, so excuse me. What I do want to do, however, is loosen up this cap because I feel like it's gonna give me a headache. What I'm gonna do is tighten down the adjustable straps in the back. I'm gonna put them on a 3rd hook in, and I'm gonna take off the elastic band. Flip it over. Yeah. It's not as much pressure over here. I'm gonna use my blow dryer brush on high and sleek out this hair as much as I can. That looks and feels amazing. Let me just go ahead and clip this back so I can get my lace cut off. Cut off. What is that? Pitch Perfect. You are now cut off. I want to watch that movie now. Why I don't got my glasses on while I'm doing this, girl? I found my razor it was still in my little cup thing over here. Now, I didn't look in there multiple times and I didn't see it. Am I in the wrong timeline? What's going on? Okay. I cut that off and you still can't see the lace. It's so good. Oh, I didn't cut off my ear tabs. Girl. I got excited. My bad, my bad. Now I'm just gonna pull out some of the hairs right here in the front. I wanna give some wispiness around my hairline. On the side. Then I'm going to use my Nairobi mousse around my hairline just to melt that down before I wrap her. Still going to cheese it up like this because I want them to kind of curl a bit without curling them, if that makes sense. Just take my brush, brush down and brush back. Nothing crazy. Let me see what I'm doing. Let's see how I did that. They sent me some goodies. Had a brush, a comb, a wig cap, some clips. I'll clip it up, not too tight. It's already melted, so I don't gotta do all that. This should take no time at all because I'm just bumping my ends and putting some body or movement in the front here. I do want to put just a smidge, okay, don't judge me, a little bit, just to kind of add some shine to the hair. Just gonna take it and bump it. Now with Kinky Straight, it does come with those crimps in it. In order to get those out, you need to flat iron the hair on high. I'm not doing all that today. What you see is what I'm giving. A little bit of grease again. Like so. Yep. Brush it out, up like that. Now for the top here, I'm gonna add some rollers because I want some lift. Okay, roll it down. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Hold it, bring it out. Take my roller here and roll it down and clip. I used to take way too long on my Kinky Straight installs just because I wanted a certain look or I thought I need to do certain things to get a certain look. Sometimes you don't have to do that, okay? Sometimes you can do just very simple bump and curl and add some rollers in the front and you'll be good to go. Okay, wrap around and then roll it down and pin it. Bring it all down. Ooh, that is hot, 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 child. Clip it. I'm just gonna tighten this a little bit right here on the side, not too much. I ain't turned my mic on, my bad. I just unwrapped my hair, okay? I just brushed it back on this side because it's a little too thick. Y'all see how that mousse just curves up that hairline really nice without adding gel or anything? That's what the mousse does. It's a mold. Wherever you wrap it, swirl it, push it, it's gonna mold to that location. Look at this, glueless. This is up under the lace. Look how good that lace is. I don't want to disturb my hair over here, but the lace is right here. You see it? Can y'all see that? I'm just gonna brush this out a little bit over here. Kind of make those a little bit more wispy. I gotta take out the clips over here. Roll this out. Did that do anything? My goodness. Oh, there it is. I was like, wait a minute. Take this out. Come on, curl up, curl up. There we go. Takes a little bit to get it together. Curl up, there we go. Let me calm down. I was a little worried. I think I want to do a flip over. Let me see. Where's my part? Here's my part. Bring this down. Let me flatten this on top. You can see my cap in there. Let's bring you down a little bit so you can't see that. There we go. I didn't burn my wig up, child. Let me do a little touch up. Fix that. That's my bad. I didn't realize I was holding it that long. Sheesh, that's why I tell y'all be careful. All's well ends well. This is my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. Flat angle brush. Tint this part and space up a bit. Open that up, because I ain't gonna add no more heat. Y'all see what happened. And that's not against the brand, that's me. That will happen to anybody's hair, even your real hair. You'll burn that joint right out. Let me add a little bit of contour shade right there because it's a little light. There we go. Blend that out. And that is it. That is all. WOWAFRICAN does it every single time. I got thick hair and it's healthy. A little bit of green grease in my life. Okay, a little bit of grease and some heat, a little bump, a couple rollers, and we are good to go. Good to go. And listen, you don't have to wear it in the side part or this type of style. Most people in the wig community like to equate big, full, curl, luscious, voluminous hair to Oprah. And I know I've joked about it, you know, like whatever, you know, Oprah got money, blah, blah, blah. I want to be very clear that most people who are saying that are not saying it as a good thing. Just understand, I understood where you were coming from, okay? So we can see each other. You get what I'm saying? I am loving this look. This is gorgeous. The hair is just pretty in general. Like, I have no complaints about this whatsoever. Go ahead and delete that paragraph about the 𝐒𝐤𝐵 versus kinky. 𝐒𝐤𝐵 is a little bit sleeker, okay, and a little bit heavier, whereas kinky is fluffier and fuller and lighter. And you saw that the kinky came with the kinks, the crimps in the hair. And I feel like it takes less rollers or effort to make this hair look full because it's already big out the pack. Before I got converted to the yak, I was rolling with the kinks. Okay, the kinky straight used to be all up and down my timeline. I loved it. Don't send me that yak. And WOWAFRICAN just reminded me why. Now you see it. And it's still glueless. Where my comb at? Oh well, I got a clip right here. And clip. Y'all see that? All right, it's on there. No glue, no spray, no gel, nothing. Just mousse and prayer. Yeah. So be mindful if you decide to step outside and it's windy, go ahead and just tack it down right here. Cause that wind been real disrespectful lately. I mean, trifling. And we don't want no slippage. We want people to think it's your hair. If the wind takes it off, they gonna know. We don't want them to know. We want them to assume, to guess, to think about it, but not know. Let them go ahead and ask you for your hair routine and give them the link. The price point that WOWAFRICAN makes for their wigs matches their wigs. When y'all be asking me for high quality wigs, I mention WOWAFRICAN every single time because they give you high quality wigs every single time. Okay, look at it. Now look at me. Yeah, I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit, but no tangles. I'm pretty sure the shedding is coming from that frontal because it is some tiny knots and bleached. So once you start doing all that around here, that's what's gonna happen. But the frontal is thick, so I don't expect it to bald anytime soon. I can see this being like a little flip. Oh, whew, she look real healthy. What Effie say? Healthy, healthy. How did you get so healthy? You don't gotta turn this one around to the back. No, keep her right at the front. See me, see her, see us together. You hear me? But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to WOWAFRICAN for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.